Microsoft have finally released a proper way to make your slicer selections and clear all of them in Power BI. Hi guys, it's the Power BI guy, and today I'm going to show you how you can clear your slicer selections and apply all of them at the same time with the latest release of a new feature in the March 2023 release of features for Power BI Desktop. So where previously you had to make individual selections and then in the background it would be filtering your data, you can now make your selections and apply them all at once. Similarly, if you want to delete your selections, you can click a button without having to create bookmarks. It's an inbuilt function that's very easy to use and incorporate into your reports. So without further ado, let me show you how you can do this. So the first thing that we have to do is make sure we have the March 2023 version of Power BI Desktop. So to do that, we would go to File and then About, and then from here we can see which version we're running. So you always want to be in the latest version. This was released with March 2023. So if anything above March will have this feature in Power BI Desktop. So once we've got the latest version up and running, it's actually very simple to incorporate into our reports. So what we do is let's just create our slices. So I'm going to create two. I'm going to bring in name and then another selection option. So as we can see right now, selected one and it's filtered straight away. So let me copy this slicer and create another one. And then I'm going to bring in status. So now, in order to make our selections and then apply, we need to go to insert and then buttons. And then we see two new options here, apply all slices and clear. So we need to bring both of these in, but I'll just show the functionality with one for now. So if now we select Cornwall, we can see this symbol here. So this means the user's made a selection, but now it's pending to be applied. So we want to see Cornwall Jane and her status where she's not met her target. So if we select apply all slices, that has now been applied to our page. But the issue is without adding the clear all slices, we can't deselect this. So you have to use both. And that's one caveat. So we need to go to buttons once again, clear all slices and bring that into the report. So with these two, we can clear our selections, make them, apply, and it's a very seamless experience. And this is very useful for scenarios where you have a lot of slices in a report or users tend to make errors with their selections and you get questions about why is my data doing this. It tends to be a case where someone's got a slicer selected or something. So this should be a good way to bulletproof your reports. But with everything, it depends on your use case. So hopefully this video was helpful. Very powerful feature that I am going to incorporate into quite a few of our reports, our production reports. So without further ado, this is the end of the video. So hopefully that helped. It's the Power BI guy and I'm checking out.